people suffering from seasonal affective disorders can find relief in negative ion therapy, which has antimicrobial effects. However, it gives off an ozone odor and it has limited emissions. Most people consider negative air ionization therapy effective in giving relief from different symptoms and improving health as a whole. It is well accepted in Europe and Japan. Actually, partial studies show that special generators can change the quality of air, though the potential health benefits only apply to certain individuals. According to researchers, flowing waterfalls and roaring waves have more than just an aesthetic effect. Water molecules that collide cause a chemical reaction, releasing negatively charged ions into the atmosphere, thus creating a calming effect. Just the same, a regular shower causes a similar reaction, as believed by some physicians. A majority of people with seasonal affective disorder felt relief when exposed by psychologists to a negative ion-filled room. Studies prove that this therapy reduces serotonin levels. This neurotransmitter produces hyperexcitability in some people, reversing the melancholy effect. This therapy, which is categorized as an alternative medicine, can keep users from taking prescription medications and experiencing their unfavorable side effects. Studies also claim that rooms with negatively charged ions can get rid of airborne viruses and bacteria by making hydrogen peroxide, which is effective in killing anaerobic microbes. Agricultural tests show that the number of airborne dust particles in livestock decreased when negatively charged ions clump with the particles, causing an increase in weight and a dropout of pollutants in the air. Some allergy sufferers are believed to benefit from this reaction, since the symptoms brought about by inhaled antigens are reduced, thus giving relief from antigens. Ideal negatively charged outdoors usually have at least 5,000 negative ions per cubic centimeter. In order to be just as effective, ion therapy indoors should generate comparable levels. Heating and cooling systems, as well as electronic devices, often emit positively charged ions. Therapy generators should have continuous air that flows across the device, or induction fans, circulating negatively charged air to cancel them, and to occupy the room with negative ions. Most devices do not have fans, and so, manufacturers say that only people who live close to the generator will be able to enjoy the benefits. One more disadvantage of this therapy is the odor. It is like a city experiencing air pollution caused by industrial emissions. Too many of these negatively charged ions produce ozone O3 during high humidity. Particles that are charged and heavy are not able to stay in the atmosphere. They get attracted to positively charged surfaces that are capable of producing higher levels of detectable dirt and dust. Also, healthcare providers maintain that only 1/3 of the population are actually aware of negative ions effects.